all cleared off. And now we are going to start our social studies lesson, which today, since we've read through lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and lesson 5. We did all of that in the past couple of weeks. We were busy. Now, you are going to get a chance to actually use your vocabulary words. All right? Now, you are going to have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 vocabulary words on here. All right? You get to choose 5. How many?
5.
How many?
5.
Fantastic. So are you going to come up to me and be, Miss Barone, how many do I have to do? No. And guess what? It's also written at the top, just in case you forget. So as soon as you get one of these papers, take a look over our words and circle which ones you would like to do. Capiche on that part so far? All right. I'm going to read our list of words so you can think about it a little bit more so. Ready? Our first word is capital resource. Our second is cooperate. Third, demand. 4, expenses. 5, goods. 6, human resource. 7, scarcity. 8, service. And 9, supply. So Eliza, how many of those words do we have to pick? 5. Thank you. Please put your head up. Thanks. Awesome. So you just have to choose 5. Now Ananda and Bryson, would you hand one of these out to everybody? There might be some extra in there. Now, you're all probably wondering, what am I going to do with these 5, right? Well, guess what? You're also going to get one of these large papers. You are going to draw and label your words, okay? So, if I decide that I'm going to choose the word goods, I'm going to draw a picture that describes the word goods. And then, look, I even have some handy-dandy labels for you. You're going to write the word goods on the label, peel it off, and stick it on there. Capiche? Isabel, what's your question?
Are you going to draw, are you supposed to draw all 5 of your words up there?
Yes. You are going to draw all 5 of them on here. So make sure that you leave enough space for all 5. And if you would like, you may first write your word in pencil, and then raise your hand and ask me to come and check it, and then you can write it on the label, just to make sure that you have it on the right picture. Okay? Olivia.
We did something like that in the last social studies.
Oh, perfect. So you guys are pros at this already, aren't you? Fantastic. All right. So now I need a helper, or 2, to hand out these. Alyssa and Logan. I don't think you handed out anything. Does anybody have any questions on what they should be doing on these papers? Ananda. Oh, you were already on the balls to tell us what we forgot. Fantastic. Now, since you're waiting for your other papers to come around, I would like for you to start circling those words like I already see Ananda doing. Fantastic. As to which ones you would like to work on. Ooh, and I actually need 2 other volunteers. Actually, I think this could be a one-man job. Landon, you want to come up here? Everybody gets 2 strips, okay? Because there's 3 labels on each strip. Okay, so that means everybody needs. So you may have one leftover little strip of things. Or one leftover label is what I mean. Eliza.
Should we circle what we need to do?
Say that louder.
Should we circle it?
Yes, you may circle which ones you would like to do. That way you remember what it is that you will have to do. Okay, go ahead. That's not important. Circle which ones it is that you would like to do, and remember to leave the space. Another question, Isabel.
Can after you draw the word, like you draw like the words,
Uh-huh.
can you color it like with crayon?
First, let's draw all of our pictures? I love that question. Let's draw all of our pictures in pencil first and label them. Once we have all of our pictures drawn and all of our labels written, then you may color it in crayon and add extra color. Okay? Bryson.
I'm just wondering if I didn't hear if you said this or not. If we're working with this on partners.
Let's try working in partners. Okay? Now, you don't need to have the exact same words as your partners. Our partners are just there to help us. Eliza, put your pencil down. Thanks. We don't need to have the exact same words, but our partner might be able to help us with what we need to draw for that picture. Okay? You still need more? All right. Who didn't get a label, raise your hand. All right, fantastic. I will cut you some more so you have labels. Apparently I was too short. Hold on, let me get the phone. Oh, okay. Okay, it's currently just me in the classroom right now, but when Mrs. Spencer comes back, I will send her down. Okay, yeah, no problem. All right. Okay. What was the next question that we had, Aaliyah?
Do we have to work in partners?
You do not have to work in partners. This is your choice. So if you realize that you're stuck, but you really want to choose the word goods, maybe a partner might be a good idea to be like, what can I draw for the word goods? After you read the definition and everything that's right next to it on the paper. And then you go to your partner and they say, oh, well you could draw apples for your goods. Okay? Alyssa.
Are you supposed to draw an example of that word?
Yes, you are supposed to draw an example of that word and then label it. Now, all 5 of your words could very well just be one giant picture together. Okay? Because remember, our whole unit was on economics. And all of our definition, or all of our vocabulary words, what do they go with? Say it louder.
Economics.
Yeah, so you could very well maybe able to put all of those words together. All right? Any more questions before I send this on our way? Isabel.
Can you write our labels in marker?
Yes, write it in pencil first, and then once you have the chance to go to the crayons, you may use those in marker. Aaliyah.
Can we draw producer as a good?
You may, is producer one of the words on our list? I don't know where I put my extra ones. No, it is not. So if you would like to also add extra labels in pencil, you may do that as well, okay? So you can have the producer selling the goods. That would be a good use of using more than one vocabulary word in our thing, okay? Fantastic question. Any more questions? All right, and just in case you get stuck as well, I'm allowing you to take out your books for additional help, okay? Maybe looking at the pictures through our chapters will help us. Eliza.
Can you pick up partners or
No, you may pick them this time. But I would like you to choose partners wisely so you will be efficient in getting your work done, okay? So does that mean we're going to pick our friend that we're going to be tempted to talk to the whole entire time? No, right, Ananda? Does that mean we're probably going to pick a partner that helps us more so with getting our work done? Yeah, that's right, Allie. Awesome. So, now that you know what you're supposed to do, and as long as you don't have any more questions, you may begin. Except I need a few people up here with me. Hold on, please. Wow, fantastic. All right. I need Andrew, Reagan, Ananda,